In this video, I'll guide you through how to track cross-sell performance in HubSpot by creating a custom deal property. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to separate new business deals from cross-sell and upsell or renewal deals, so your reporting becomes much more meaningful. To start, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account with permission to edit properties. We'll be working inside the deal settings, so you'll need at least admin or similar access. From your main HubSpot dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually in the top navigation bar. Click that to open the settings area. Once you're in settings, we're going to navigate to the section where deal properties live. In the left-hand sidebar, find and select Objects. Under Objects, click on Deals. This is where you control how deal records are structured, including which fields appear and how they behave. Inside the Deals settings area, look for the Properties tab or section. This is where all your existing deal properties are listed, like amount, close date, and deal stage. You might see quite a few properties here, but we're going to add a new one specifically for tracking deal type. Now create a new custom property. Look for a button or link that says something like Create Property or Create Deal Property and click it. A setup panel will open where you'll define the details of this new field. First, you'll choose basic settings such as the object and property name. Make sure the object is set to Deal, since this property will live on deal records. For the label or name of the property, type Deal Type. This is exactly how it will appear on the deal record, so keep it clear and simple. You can add a brief description as well, something like classifies whether the deal is new business, cross-sell, or upsell renewal to help your team understand the purpose. Next, choose the field type. For this property, you want a drop-down select field. A drop-down is ideal because it forces consistent standardized values, which is crucial for accurate reporting later. Select the drop-down option for the field type so users can only pick from the options you define. Now add the options themselves. You'll create 3 values: new business, cross-sell, and upsell renewal. Add each one as a separate drop-down option, spelling them exactly how you want them to appear in reports and filters. Keeping the naming consistent here will save you headaches later, especially when you start segmenting and building dashboards. After you've added those 3 options, review them for accuracy and clarity. This is a good moment to think about how your team uses these terms. For example, cross-sell should be used when you're selling an additional product or service to an existing customer, while upsell renewal covers expanding or renewing an existing contract. New business should be reserved for brand new customers. Make sure your internal definitions match the labels you're creating. Finally, make this property a required field. In the property settings, enable the option to make this field required when users create or move deals, depending on what your HubSpot plan allows. This is important because if it's optional, some deals will be missing this information and your cross-sell reporting will be incomplete. By making it required, every deal will be tagged correctly as new business, cross-sell, or upsell renewal. Once everything looks good, save the property. From this point on, your team will see the deal type drop down on deal records, and they'll need to select one of the 3 options. This simple setup becomes the backbone of your cross-sell performance tracking, allowing you to filter pipelines, build reports, and understand exactly how much revenue is coming from cross-sell and upsell activity.